In East Africa, production of vegetable can deliver more income and improve nutrition. Unfortunately, intense cultivation of vegetable often leaves the soil depleted of its nutrients. At World Vegetable Center, we work with partners such as SNV and ODI to give youth and women access to training so that they can produce African traditional vegetable in a planet-friendly way. On top of this, we are building more resilient farms, boosting access to safe and healthy vegetables, and creating jobs that last.